I forgot I bought 200 shares yesterday pre-market of Hertz at 185.
Hertz was at 185 yesterday?
Pre-market, yeah, I bought it because my guy from Thinkorswim talked about it. And he's like, you know what? I'm gonna buy 500 shares. He's like, it's testing previous lows or something like whatever. And
Oh, wow. Yeah, first green day. Damn. Kind of sad I missed that one a little bit.
I sold a little bit this morning at right now at 350. I have a sell in. I'm gonna sell some. I don't know why it's
HTZ.
not.
All right, good morning. It's Friday, 9/12 or 6/12, June 6th, 2020. Ooh. Good morning, Bison.
Good morning.
Hope everybody had a good week. My week was kind of choppy. I had some big swings this week. It's kind of annoying. Need to chill out. But all is well. So let's go through the watch list right now. Probably my number one right now is CLDX. Caught a nice move on this yesterday. I was buying it when it went green on the day. Well, not when it went green. After it went green, and bought it on a dip. Right here in the 530s. Oh, right here. In the 530s on this dip. Right above VWAP. And then it squeezed. And, of course, I didn't hold it all the way to 10. But I did manage to hold 250 shares up till almost 8. But now it put in a high there. It looks like it double topped right here. And now it's fading, so I'm watching this for failed fall through momentum. It might spike up. I'm looking to short into this resistance here in the 10s. That's my top watch. For my shorts, IZEA, I'm watching it for a short. I don't think it's a short yet. I think they're going to squeeze it higher. Yesterday was first day of the breakout. So it's hanging around right at red to green, which is 282. So I think this thing is probably going to go green and squeeze. I mean, since I think that, I should probably buy it. They did put out some news that was this big drop right here, 424B. It's an amendment to their offering that they're going to do. I didn't read it in a whole lot of detail, but anyways, just know that this company sucks and they are looking to raise money. So if you are long,
$32.
don't overstay your welcome. And Henry, let's talk about some long plays. Well, I guess IZA, I would say, is kind of a long. Yeah, I mean, it might dump, but I don't know. BRTY, I don't think it's going to. I think it's going to go up. You went long party?
Yeah, I'm at long $2.
Wow. And you said the oil stocks are...
Oil stocks are moving.
Damn, that's a nice gap on... Damn, everything's gapping up, though. SPY's gapping up. Everything's gapping up right now.
I'm so mad though. Look at Bohr, OAS, and Val. They all were holding above VWAP. I went with VAL, and it's going down a little bit. And Bohr and OAS are up. I picked the wrong one out of the three.
Talking about the oil stocks.
It hopefully will eventually move. So I just sold some more HTZ at 360.
Damn it, I missed my gap up too on Genus. You know, they did the offering, it dumped. And then now it's bouncing. So there it is. Now it's bouncing. It's at 4. So I'm not gonna long it. I'm just gonna look to short the bounce. We'll give it a couple of days though. See how this gap up reacts. What else you got on watch? CTIB.
Yeah, I'm out of that one.
Damn. This thing gapped up huge yesterday. Did they have news? Sure they did.
Oh. Yeah, probably. I don't know. I seen it after hours yesterday. When I seen it, it was already up like to, I don't know, $6-7. I'm like, well, I can't chase that. But shit would have.
Up 70% over last 20 minutes following amended 13D filing from LF showing 56% stake. Announces change in board of directors. Yippee. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's see what else. XSPA was gapping up big too. Oh, it's failing now.
It's failing now.
Now. So daily chart on XSPA. So it gapped up to 5. I think XSPA can still go. Yeah. Look at this big run, pullback. First green day for XSPA, I think. I like XSPA actually as a buy, potential buy. Gapped up. I might buy XSPA.
I already have 40 shares. I was in the reverse split, so.
Buy it here at 5, maybe. God, I should go long on IZEA. I mean, I think it's going to break out. I think they're going to squeeze it higher. Gets over the yesterday's high of 1313, of 313. I should go long IZEA. And I should go long on XSPA. They did the reverse split. Okay, hold on. So they did the reverse split. So hypothetically speaking, let's say that you had 100 shares of XSPA. They do the reverse split, so now you have less shares.
Yeah, I had 120, so now I have 40 shares.
Yeah, they did 4-1. So
my average price of my 40 shares is $5.14.
So that means it is a lower float, so it's going to have more squeeze potential, correct? Most of your software is not going to reflect that though. Like if I type in XSPA, it takes them like a month. Or all these websites that hold the float. So like my float says 86 million on XSPA. So it's actually going to be a lot less than that. So it's going to have more squeeze potential because they did the reverse split. So I'm going to buy XSPA right now.
It squeezed $8 yesterday, or $8.40, so I'm hoping it gets back up there. I'm holding it for a few days because since it didn't go right away, usually a reverse split, they go like within the next week or so. So since I only got 40 shares, I'm just going to hold on to them until I make what I want to make on them.
And IZEA is going.
He's going to go today. He's already got 23 million volume.
Which one?
HTZ, which I got lucky and bought pre-market yesterday at 185.
All right, so
all freaking day. I just sold a little bit at 360, but I'm holding on because, so like I said, it's already got 24 million volume already. So.
Okay, I just pulled up the chart. What'd you buy HTZ at?
Yesterday pre-market at 185. I bought it at 8:23 yesterday morning. Basically, almost 24 hours ago.
Wow. Henry, you're so good at holding these fuckers forever. And IZA going green. Alright, fucking IZEA. So fucking shitty, this company. This company sucks. How did I not get executed on all my XSPA? I was trying to hit the ask. And I didn't get a fill on all of it? Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm officially in XSPA. I'm also in IZEA. IZEA. If it gets... I'm telling you, if this fucker gets over 313, it's going to squeeze. Probably go to 4. I should have a lot more shares, but I'm playing it conservative. Why? Because I drink Bud Dry. Just kidding. Never mind. That was a commercial from a long time ago that just popped out of my subconscious. And out into the ether. No, I don't fucking drink Bud Dry. Bud Dry tastes like piss. Hell, I don't even drink beer that much anymore. It makes me too fat and full.
Look at that. HTZ setting up a bull flag for a squeeze the bear.
Okay, it's official. Henry has a boner for HTZ. He has a big fat wessel.
I'll bet you 10 burpees it hits $5 today.
You still owe me 10 burpees, dude.
And I'll give him all 20 of them today.
He's going to give them to me on Christmas.
No, I'll give them to you today.
You don't owe me...
I'm confident I'm
What do you mean 20?
HTZ.
Oh, yeah, 20 burpees.
If I lose... I'll bet you 10 burpees it goes to 5.
Okay, key level we'll think about on, for those of you shorts out there, CLDX. The red to green on CLDX is 874. So, I'm suspecting it's going to bounce off the red to green, 874. And when it bounces, I'm going to fucking pile in on this piece of shit. I better not get too aggressive, though. Alright, and with the shitty IZEA, I will risk... Probably won't risk red to green, which is 282. I'm not going to risk red to green. I probably should keep a wider risk down here in the 260s. Wow, CLDX just giving it up. Did not expect.
CTIB coming back. And a nice dip by at $8.
Yeah, I got to keep that one on a side chart. CTIB. Wow, it is coming back, huh? CTIB. All right, got it up. All right, let's look at... Hello, everybody. Bison says, IZA tweeted that they have news coming out later today. Yes, they do. Long DPW. Which the fact that they have news coming out later today makes me more... Did they post what time the news is going to come out on IZEA? Because that matters. Because I want to sell before that news comes out. Yeah, Henry's long DPW. Forgot about that one. DPW. Things first green day. Or had one red day and then one green day.
bought it yesterday at right after it reclaimed VWAP. Thought it was going to keep going. But I bought it at 265.
This morning? Yesterday?
Yesterday, and then
Okay.
I added at 320 when it was squeezing. When I texted you at 3, I'm like, I bought DPW at 320. I basically added.
You mean that was this morning? Early this morning? Not yesterday.
Yes.
You said yesterday. I was like, how'd you do that when it was under $3?
Yesterday.
Huh?
I bought it yesterday at 265.
Oh, okay.
I added at 320 this morning.
So you added to the winner.
I added more to $3.20.
You added to the winner, right?
Yes.
Adding to winners. What an amazing concept. Something I don't do enough of. I just get all excited. Sell! Henry's long Val. Henry, name off all the stocks that you're in right now. HTZ, Val. What else?
EMAN.
E-Man. Let's look at E-Man real quick.
I'm about ready to get rid of it. I was testing the VWAP. It failed and it's going back down, so I'm about to cut it. See how it pulled up? It was testing the VWAP at 120. That's when I got in it.
It's a nice little breakout on the daily.
I know, so.
So you have Val, DPW, E-Man, Party, HTZ. Is that it?
That's it.
Okay.
No, lied. Sorry.
And what else?
I forgot. I bought F-Cell yesterday. When it
Oh,
was
F-Cell. That's another one we got to look at.
at 263.
F-Cell. Our good friend F-Cell. I hate this fucking stock.
Well, we were talking about it yesterday, and you're like, is this a dip buy? And
I know,
looking
huh?
at it and looking at it, and I'm like, yes, it is.
Is this a dip buy? Yes, it is a dip buy, but I'm not going to buy it. I'll just watch it go. I'll just watch it go up instead.
This morning at $3 though, so I only have a couple hundred shares left.
Send to yesterday's resistance. So I got on a side chart. Keep an eye on it. I hope it squeezes. I hope it goes higher. Because all I want to do is just short it really, really bad. And my XPA is moving a little bit. Got in at like $5.10.
I bet F-Cell's the stock I've traded the most in the last 6 months.
All right.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Shit, I don't have time to go get coffee. Fuck. Bing, 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 bing.
I was getting worried at my party, and they were squeezing, hit 218, then it dropped. I'm like, but it bounced right off of $2, so that's a good sign.
Come on, IZEA. Squeeze them. Squeeze them, IZEA. One more green day, IZEA. Please, let's get some extension. So we can hop on the short bus. That's what I'm hoping for. I gotta get some coffee. I don't have time. 30 seconds. Okay, happy trading, everybody. It's Friday. Friday. Here we go. IZEA. Okay. I'm going to sell a little bit of this XSPA. Squeezing some. Come on, E-Trade. Let's get a order filled. You fucks. Every day at the market open. E-Trade. E-Turd. There we go, XSPA. Or IZEA. Come on, go green on the day.
Wow, CTIB tanked.
And XSPA gets slapped down. Man, CLDX is red. Dang it. I was hoping for a little spike for it to short into. So now it's red, going red. I don't want to chase it down here. Maybe I should though. No, I'm not going to. Oh no, XSPA. You piece of shit. I'm going to put my stop loss in at my entry on XSPA.
What the hell? Party got halted. I don't know what's going on there.
My girl wants to party all the time, party all the time, party all the time. Uh-oh, what got executed? Oh no, I hit my stop loss on XSPA. And it is going lower. Dang, XSPA getting crushed right now. Maybe I should dip by it. Oh, IZEA. I should have known. Should have known. Sell. Fucking IZEA. Should have been shorting that thing. I'm out. IZE going red on the day. Ah. I was hoping for a squeeze on IZEA. Might still happen though.
Brian wants to squeeze. Squeeze.
Okay, I hop back in an XSPA at 508 on this dip. So we're starting to get a little pop. I'll risk $5. So it's coming back. Meanwhile, our good friend CLDX is bouncing just a tad.
Damn, how did I miss this one? Holy shit. What the hell?
Okay, I shorted a little bit, a dabble on CLDX on this little pop. Probably early, because I always am. But I'm looking to short, scale in a little bit more closer to 9. It's at 838, so we'll see what happens. Okay, Henry, what'd you just say?
Did you see CHNR at all?
CHNR. No, I did not see that. Is it doing something great?
Well, it was 85 cents at close yesterday.
Oh, yes. I remember seeing that one on the pre-market. China. Okay, it's a China stock. Now Donald Trump says it. China. Look at the China virus. Oh, fucking IZEA. You suck. Damn, Genus. Genus is squeezing. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Look at it squeeze. Keep going, Genus. Okay, keep squeezing, Genus. Everybody in the Investors Live chat room is ready to short the piss out of you. CLDX with a little bit more of a pop. Not really. Not really. It's looking weak. Ooh, XSPA. Come on, baby. Let's go, XSPA. You got a lower float. Keep it moving, man. Keep it moving. Henry, what are you doing over there?
Looking at my 50 different charts.
Oh, Leroy Short, KBSF. I'll look at that real quick on a side chart.
Nice, it crashed.
KBSF. Whoa. Yeah. Nice. Are you going to cover some of that? Please tell me you are. Please tell me you're going to cover a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on, XSPA. Move that ass. I swear to God, when I'm long a stock, it feels like the stock just can't go up. It just struggles for every penny. And then when I get short, motherfuckers just keep squeezing. These keep going. I know that's not how it really is, but I'm going to sell a little bit of XSPA there. 10 cents wasn't my goal, okay? My 10 cents, my goal wasn't to, what's his name? Ross from Warrior Trading? What's his name? Is it Ross Cameron? Yeah, my goal isn't to Ross Cameron the stock. Buy a $5 stock and sell it 10 cents later. Definitely not my goal.
Well, when you start buying 50,000 shakers.
True. Very true. I should have added some more to my short on CLDX. God, should I add here? Oh, I don't want to chase it. I know it's going to bounce around somewhere. It'll probably find support and then bounce more, bounce higher.
Dude, previous when we traded recent runner, APA is squeezing.
APA. Okay, got the stop loss in. Look at that. We're down to 8. I probably should cover a little there. On CLDX. God, I wish I would have piled in more. CLDX. Buy to cover. Okay, I cover a little CLDX right there. Into that flush towards 8. Probably bounces here at 8. How low can it go? IZEA doing nothing, going sideways. Looks like it's about to fall apart. Just under red to green. It might squeeze.
LK is squeezing. Damn.
LK.
It's a crap Chinese stock.
China. The China virus. He doesn't call it the Trump doesn't call it the China virus anymore, does he? I liked it when he was first giving his coronavirus speech, and the China virus, China. Basically, he's saying those fucks. Okay.
Yep.
Meh. Any of your longs working out, Henry?
No. And then I failed and just kind of hold.
Dude, CTIB put in a nice bounce right at the open, man. That's a nice bounce. Look at that.
Excel's starting to squeeze for me.
FCell. Woo! More downside on CLDX. Dang, I'm gonna have to cover some down here. God. All right, fine. All right, covered some more CLDX as it drops lower.
How low can it go? How low can it go?
I kind of want to buy this CTIB now that I'm looking at it. Is this a lower high? Huh? Hey, Shaggy? Oh, you're not Shaggy. You're Scooby-Doo. Look at this. Right here on this little dip. Can we buy it?
I'm not buying it. You can buy it.
Why don't you like it, Henry?
I don't like it.
Tell me why. I want a reason. I don't have one, Brian. Leave me alone. All right, sorry.
I just looked at it. I just don't like it.
It says no bueno, eh? And
I'm liking that CHNR way better than CTIB.
maybe you're right. Maybe I shouldn't buy it.
I'm really starting to like CHNR.
CHNR. And I'm glad I listened to you, Henry. It's about to test the low. Look at that. Look at that. It's going under 5. Going lower. This thing has a lot of...
Down, down, baby. Lower, lower.
I'm buying it. Boom. Got it. At 591. CTIB.
I just went long CHNR at 450.
Don't give it up. Bounce. There it comes. Bounce.
Bounce, baby. Bounce, bounce.
IZA goes lower. I should have fucking shorted it. Dang it, man. I didn't want to miss the short on this thing. They got their shitty news coming out. Come on. How can it go lower? How can it sell off? You broke out yesterday, day 1 of the breakout. Disappointing. Who's your favorite rap artist? Henry? Bet I know who it is.
Who is it?
Nelly.
No.
Henry, you always sing Nelly.
I do.
Okay, CTIB looks like it might go lower. Cancel order. Put my stop loss in at my entry. Putting my stop loss in at my entry on CTIB. Oh, took me out. Well,
yeah,
that
stay away from that one.
CTIB.
Stay away.
CTIB.
Yes.
It heads lower, Henry says. Henry, you're supposed to buy them when nobody wants them. That means they're going down.
You don't add to losers, you add to winners.
True.
You're always trying to catch the bottom.
And the top. But I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to bounce, Henry. See, look. There it goes. There it goes without me, Henry. Fuck. Damn it.
So then hold it for more than 2 minutes.
Well, it hit my risk. And then it bounced on me. Alright, I got some there at 620. See if she can go now. Come on, pumpkin. Move that ass.
Everybody, this is where I yell at Brian. He'll be patient with the short and get squeezed, but he'll cut his long super tight.
I know, it's weird. Because I always feel like the bottom's going to fall out of the long. Look, there it goes. There she squeezes. She's squeezing. We're going to 7. Come on, man. At least get the 650. There we go. 650. Boom. I sold some. Yep. We're going to 7, Henry. Okay. Stay away from it, Brian. Alright. I'm going to be patient with the rest of my shares. It double bottomed right there. Okay. Double bottom. 1, 2. Now we're just going to hang tight with the rest. Should have just sold them all probably. It's probably just going to roll over and die. Fall apart. Then Henry's going to be going, I told you so. What the hell? What just got executed? I don't know what got executed. Something happened though.
Something happened. You probably had a short order set up for something.
No, I don't. Nothing has changed. Look at it. It's giving it up. You piece of gent. Come on, man. There it goes. Come on, double bottom. Work for me. Alright, I got a stop loss set at 598 on this sucker. If you can't hold 6, I'll get out. Ooh, CLDX headed lower. Jeez. Oh, man. It's got to have a bounce here coming soon. CLDX. So when it does, I'm going to be there with the short. Man, I didn't get nearly enough size on this short. Sucks. Oh well.
My EMAN just got halted.
E-man. E-M-A-N. Just got halted. Really? Look at the daily. Ooh. Yeah. Yep. This is the one I was like, nice breakout on the daily. Ooh, this one's super interesting. You got my coffee? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Muchas gracias.
All right, let's go work out.
Salud. Okay. Thank you. No. Take that downstairs in the kitchen. Thank you. Okay, Henry, what's the float on E-Man?
Wow, good job, Penny. In at 6:30 and CTIB out at 10:50. Nice.
Holy shit. Really? Wow, Henny. Caught them yesterday, huh? After hours? Nice move. Nice sell, too, up in the 10s. Beautiful sell. Okay, IZEA. You're getting put on the back burner. We're sending your ass to a side chart. New focus is... Oh. All right, I'm out. CTIB. See, this is why I sell so fast with garbage like CTIB. Because I sold half of it up here in the 650s and 660s. You know, look at that. It has a little pop, and then it just rolled over and died. It's still holding a little bit. It might come back. Meanwhile, E-Man. Anybody remember He-Man?
He-Man and the Masters of the Universe.
E-Man.
It's He-Man, but the stock is E-Man.
E-Man. Henry, I know that.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Just checking.
I had a Battle Cat toy when I was little. Okay, that's what E-Man rode. He rode a Battle Cat. He had a fucking big giant cat with a saddle. I have the power. Right, Henry? There it goes. CTIB. Squeeze it for my family that needs to eat. Squeeze it for my wife that needs a new Gucci bag. Just kidding. My wife doesn't buy Gucci. She buys Prada, yo. Just kidding. Oh, Henny says, missed the 12, but I'm more than happy. Oh, darn it. You missed the 12. Gosh.
Don't feel bad. I bought, what's the stock I bought yesterday at 447? I sold at 8. It went to 15. What was that stupid stock yesterday?
Not, was it JFIN? Remember we bought, you bought it at 888 and I bought JFIN at 11 and I sold it like 14 and you sold like at 16 and it went to 30. That was 2 days ago.
Yeah, that was 2 days ago, but yesterday, let me pull up my text from you. Let's see.
Oh, look at that. Hey, E-Man's back in... He's alive.
Back play.
But he got slapped down. Okay? He don't have Battle Cat with him. Oh! Never mind. He came back up. Man.
No, WAFU yesterday.
Waifu. Yes.
I bought at 447 at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I sold at 8 at 6:14, and then it went to 15 like 4 minutes later. And then we did get back into it at like when the market opened, scalped it a little bit, but still. You can never be shamed, Henny, for getting basically $4 a share. What you got?
Man, look at that E-Man. It's got a float of, I think 50 million, I said? Yeah, 50 million. What to do with E-Man? Man, I don't want to chase it. I don't want to short it.
Now, Brian, CTIB is sort of looking more promising now because it's consolidating for me.
I got an order in at $6.03. Okay, consolidation king.
Yes. Good. I'm going to ride E-Man to $5. Oh, ABCT.
ABCT.
I lied. I forgot I bought that yesterday. Sorry.
Of course you did. I knew Henry had some secret tickers he wasn't telling us about. I knew it. I knew he had some secret fucking tickers. He did not forget. He knew he didn't have it. ABCT.
Yeah, I bought it at $4.20 yesterday, so I just sold some at $5. That's the only reason.
Are you sure it's ABCT?
AV.
Oh, AV. AV. Alice or Alpha Victor Charlie Tango. Oh, I remember this one. God, this fucking stock sucks.
I only had 100 shares. It wasn't secret. I actually forgot I had it until it just alerted I had to sell at $5.
Don't believe him. Don't believe him. Don't believe him. He knew it. Henry, you can't trick us.
What else? What else? I'm gonna sell the next one at $5.50.
Ooh, I'm so glad you're in this, Henry.
Why? Is you gonna short it?
I am gonna short it. Not now. Not now. I'm gonna wait for it.
What are you gonna short it at? That's where I'm gonna sell at.
I'd like to get more extension. Like, I'd like to get somewhere closer to 6. Be great if it went to 6. Maybe even, yes, anywhere between 6 and 7. I don't know if it'll go that high, though. Okay, so now, CLDX, bouncing. So now, we're going to wait for a bounce to short into. Here we go.
Meanwhile, my E-Man is squeezing to 140. It's gonna get halted again.
Is it really?
I don't know. I'm hoping.
E-Man. Man, I thought about buying it, but...
Bison's shorting E-Man. What are you shorting it at, Bison?
It is moving into pre-market resistance. Okay, X-Paw, you're getting kicked out. Okay, nobody wants to look at your non-volatile ass. Yes, CTIB. Boom. Guess I'm not going to get my ad at 602.
At 603.
I already had some at 624.
Oh, gotcha.
And it's going to 7. Cancel order.
Gotcha.
I'm going to sell a little bit up here at 7. Take some of that money. Honey.
Now, see what I mentioned a couple minutes ago that I would be more into it consolidating, and then boom, it broke out.
You were right, Henry. Okay, you were right.
Patience. Now I'm mad that I didn't get into it, but I'm already in 6 stocks, so I'm overextended.
Don't lie to us. You got more than that. Look at that. It's squeezing. This is why I wanted it, because it's volatile, man. Right in the open, it bounced from 6 to fucking 8 in 5 minutes. Now it's over VWAP, okay? So why do I sell? Why can't I add to a winner like a normal trader?
Just be moving your stop loss up or add to it.
Exactly.
Well, the $8 has a little resistance, so.
This could.
E-man 145. It's going parabolic.
E-man.
Already, please.
E-man. The pre-market resistance. Ooh, it's getting over the pre-market resistance. Okay, I'm going to put in a buy order at 7 on... At 7.25.
Say it's going to be what, like 7.25 or something?
26. Buy. Okay, so you're going to get a fill on CTIB at 7.26. Add to a winner. It feels like every time I try to add to a winner, I turn it into a loser. E-man.
Getting slapped down.
It's pulling back. It's a difference.
But you know what it's doing that I like? It's getting bought up. We need to break the pre-market highs. That would be amazing. Amazeballs.
Okay, I'm going to start scaling into CLDX near VWAP. Ooh, I got executed on CTIB. All right, so hopefully this can be like the JFIN, remember? Or what's that other shitty one? Weifu?
Yep.
It can be like one of those. Remember, those are both big percent gainers that dipped and then they ripped and came back.
True.
Oh, AVCT, dude. Oh, I should have shorted it. Didn't have enough extension for me. AVCT falling apart. Now that's a slap down. I'm going to add some more here as CTIB pulls back. Okay, I added more. At 7. Oh no. Come on.
E-man is going to get halted. Come on, baby. Squeeze for daddy. Snaky village.
Henry, what'd you have to do to get your voice that high just now? Huh? Did you have to squeeze something of your own?
Squeeze.
Come on, CTIB. See what I mean? Oh. Remember, I said every time I add, I turn a winner into a loser. Fuck me. Okay, I added a tiny bit more. My average is 673 now. So.
What is the SPY doing? The SPY is.
Come on, CTIB. Don't double top on me and then just fall apart. Oh, God, it is. Look at it. Just die. It just got halted. I need to get out. Sell. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Halted on the way down. Fuck me.
Bottom fell out.
Alright, I'm out. I sold. I panic sold. Golly, I shouldn't have panicked. Jesus Christ. Well, there goes like 800 bucks. Flush down the toilet. Look, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's how to not add to a winner. How not to add to a winner. Okay, added to the winner, and it just said fuck you. Matt Alvarado was long party. PRTY. Oh, dip buy. I kind of like it, Matt. CLDX. I got to order at 850 to add. And AVCT.
Coming back, back.
Is this a higher low to short on AVCT? Oh, I don't know. Probably not. Dang it, man. I panic sold out of that thing super bad. I thought I was about to get halted on the way down. It freaked out and just sold. I didn't want it to gap down on me. Dang it, man. That sucks. Oh, I had some nice profits on the day, too. I don't know what I think of AVCT. I think it's still probably going to go up. I'm going to leave it alone. E-Man is pulling back. X-Boss still hanging around 5. Genus spike fail.
I'm testing CHNR at 430. Dabbling. Just broke over VWAP, so.
CHNR. CHNR.
Let's see if it holds VWAP here. I'm in at 430.
See, that was the exact same setup as CTIB was just now, and then CTIB.
Watching it super tight.
Well, just because CTIB did that doesn't mean this one's gonna do it. 9 million in the float. God, I like it actually, Henry. You got it at what price?
430.
All right. China.
Come on, bounce, bitch.
Oh, don't make me chase it! Damn it, it's going without me. Fucker. It's not letting me in. Alright, I finally got some. Right when I went to press buy, dude, I was getting my order ready. I was gonna buy at 438, and the motherfucker squeezes to 480. Son of a bitch. I swear to God. Oh, that's annoying. But I do think it's gonna go, so fuck it. At least I'm in. China. Oh, that's so annoying. It's like they know that I'm gonna click the button, and they're like, "Here." It's like dangling a. Look, squeezing, Henry.
I'm watching it, Brian.
Got excited. Sorry. Go, China.
Oh, this one you go parabolic and go to 30.
Oh my God, that would be amazing. Amazing, great, or stock. How great the squeeze. Henry wanted
the moon, please.
Nope, says nah. We're gonna get rejected by high a day. Let's go ahead and we'll just pull back for you. Made sure that Brian got a shitty entry at 475, so now we can just pull back and play with his emotions. God, that was annoying. Oh, He-Man's giving it up. Loho. CTIB holding 6, you fuck. I didn't even have to take that loss. Golly. And now it's coming back. Oh, that's annoying. My panic sold out. That's why I hate whenever stocks just drop, I hate panic selling. I like to just wait till they bounce, and then if I really want to get out, just get out into the bounce. But I just don't want to get caught in a halt. And then it gaps up lower. Come on, China.
That'll probably be the one that squeezes later today, like around noon. It's gonna like,
or like here,
low VWAP all day, and then boom, just take off.
Or like here, by this one, dude, China's about to rip. Come on, China. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Get fucked. Okay? I don't care what Henry says. I'm selling. Some of it anyways.
I'm waiting till it tests the pre-market highs.
Where's the pre-market highs? What are they at?
593.
Oh, Jesus, Henry. You expect me to fucking wait that long?
I didn't say that. I said I'm waiting.
All right, I sold a little bit right there.
I'm seeing sells all the way to 680, so I'm not selling yet.
I got to take a little bit off.
Just playing VWAP and it didn't get slapped down, so it's going to squeeze, and it's going to pull back, consolidate, and it's going to squeeze over 6.
Come on. Squeeze.
You probably so.
I don't know why I asked you what the pre-market highs are. I got a chart right in front of me. I can just look at it myself. Dumbass.
Alright, so now it's going to pull back.
Alright. I couldn't help it. I had to sell a little bit there at 445. Alright, now I'll be patient. You know what? I'm going to add back. I'm going to try to add back to the winner. I'm going to try to add to a winner. Okay, like a true professional. AVCT double topping. I got to get that one up.
It's only up 491% right now, so it's got a lot of room to go to 1,000.
Yeah, how?
There's 3 stocks that went 1,000% this week.
Yeah, I mean, why can't we ride one to 1,000%? Why can't we ride one to 30?
Yeah, I think we deserve it.
You deserve what the market gives you, Henry. Okay, even if it's a fucking kick in the ass.
Look at that, $6. Boom.
Go, bitch. Move that ass. Squeezing it. I'm not selling, Henry. I'm not selling.
I'm not either.
I'm gonna add, motherfucker. I'm adding.
You pumping in the chat, or are they talking about it in the chat?
I don't know. I should pump it though, huh? China. Squeezing. Oh, they're talking about it. All right.
Let your winners work for you.
Is this my ad right here, Henry?
It might pull closer to 5. I don't know.
Got an ad.
That's probably the ad right there.
I'm going to add more too if it pulls back even to like to the 4. My entry was 475, so we'll see if I can get some at 5. Fuck it, I'll just buy it here. Let's see here. Maybe I'll get it. There we go. I got some more at 5. 515. Come on, China. Can we get a breakout? Is it too much to ask for a stock to go to 1,000% in one day? Is that too much to ask?
No.
Matt says you guys cracked me up. Yeah, Henry, he's pretty funny, isn't he? Just kidding, Henry. Henry is funny, actually. Henry sends me some pretty funny videos. Come on, seriously? Fuck it, I'm buying more. That's my spot to add. Okay. Now that I have more shares than I'm comfortable with, hopefully it can go up. Okay, that was my final ad. No more ads.
Bounce the VWAP.
Okay.
Please.
That was my final ad. I'm gonna have to risk VWAP. I'm gonna have to keep this risk kind of tight because I do not feel like losing $1,000 in a fucking millisecond again. Yeah, Henry. China's only up to... What is it up? CHN. Henry, okay, this is going to sound like a really stupid question, but what was their news? Oh, they don't have any.
Yeah, there's no news. I love when stocks run without news. Makes complete sense.
My biggest loss came from a stock with no news. It's like there's no way it can keep going up. It has no news. Just kept going and going and going and going. Before I knew it, E-Trade says, sorry, Mr. Bressler. We had to cover your position at the very top. And now you have 80% of your account is gone. Congratulations. You're a loser. Click. Hold that VWAP. I think it's going to hold VWAP. Henry, I think we might have a nice winner on our hands right here. This chart is setting up really, really nice. It's holding that VWAP. I think we're going to get over 6, and when we do, it's going to go bonkers.
I would like a bonkers stock.
God, it would be so nice to hit a fucking 1,000% runner. It's up 406%, 413%. Ooh, that E-man's falling apart. So whoever was short, congrats. Cover some. Yeah, this is setting up nice right here in the 480s. I'm feeling really good about this stock now. Even though it's...
You seen it this morning? Like, it didn't pop up on my scanner at all. Like, I've been in the $2 range when it consolidated there in the 220, 230s.
I was
I didn't pop up my freaking thing.
I wasn't really looking at my scanner pre-market. I was laying in the bed with my computer next to me, waiting for text from you to tell me what was going pre-market.
But yeah, you texted me this morning, and then so you're finally up pre-market, and then I'm sending you a text, and I'm getting no replies. I'm like, that fucker went back to bed.
I did kind of fall asleep for a little bit, but then you would ding. I would hear a ding from you, and then I would wake up and I'd look at the chart like piece of shit, and then then go back to bed. Man, CTIB holding the $6, consolidating. What is the CTIB? Float of 1 million. Dude. CTIB.
I mean,
Come on.
It's probably going to squeeze today at some point.
What is?
CTIB.
I know I want to get back in it.
It's down $6 a share from its pre-market highs. I mean, the longer it holds $6, the better.
I know, I just bought some of CTI. I feel like either CTIB or China are going to both go. Or one of them's going to go. And I don't want to have FOMO and miss out. I'm going to set a really wide risk on CTIB. Down in the 570s. I took smaller size on CTIB. And if it breaks out and it really starts squeezing, maybe I'll add. Because China is ooh, I got an ad on the CLDX short. So that's starting to come back a little bit. Looks like it might go green on the day. Probably shorted it too early. And it's squeezing. Come on, man. Seriously? It's going to fall apart? What just happened? What is going on? Oh no, I had an order on China from earlier. I just got executed. Oh, I got way too many shares. I forgot all about that order. Fuck. That was my original order that I tried to get in at. Oh no. And now it's dumping. Damn it, man. I'm not gonna sell into this bullshit. I'm gonna wait. CLDX just got halted, I think. Did it get halted? I think it got halted. Yep, CLDX is halted. Thank God I only dabbled.
Buy and dabble with the short.
Oh, man. Oh, man. I hope if this China comes back and breaks out over 6, I'm going to make some money. I'm going to be so happy, but I don't think it's not looking like it wants to. How do you feel about it, Henry?
Getting more scared by the minute.
It was looking good for a second when it was going sideways right above VWAP. But sometimes they'll dip just below VWAP, you know. So I don't want to get shook out just yet. And it's not like it's just flushing down and just, you know. I don't know. Come on. Find a bid. Find it somewhere. There it goes. Yeah, I think that's good to cover down there in the 120s on E-Man Bison because it's dipping below this
EVK halted
EVK.
up 240%, 250.
Great. I hope that's not the 1,000% runner of the day.
It's already been halted 4 times. This is the 4th halt.
Oh, it's one of those super annoying ones.
Oh, sorry, 3rd halt. It was halted on the 11th.
Okay. Come on, China, don't be a vagina. Go up.
What's the daily on EVK look like? It's a breakout on the daily. It's about to actually, if it opens higher, it's going to hit its 52-week high.
What's your absolute line in the sand with this China?
Uncle?
Yes. What do you... Oh! Oh! Don't do it.
I was going to say 390.
Fuck me. Jesus Christ. Give me a break. It's too... See, and they're like... And Henry wonders why I take my profits so damn fast. I could have made $1 a share on this fucker.
You did sell some, I thought.
I did. Every tick.
Go back and listen. You have more shares than me, so you got to do what's best for you. I just dabbled, so.
Okay, CTIB is going lower. I'm out of that one. And don't know what the hell to do with China.
So the SPY is going down. That's probably why it's going down.
Gosh, it sucks when you have too much size and every tick that goes against you is like a stab in your gut. Alright, CLDX is open now. CLDX open for business and squeezing. Damn, dude, this thing squeezed all over to 6 and then just sold off from there. Jesus Christ. Shorted some more CLDX. $4.
Hold $4. Please. Please. Please, please, please.
So you don't think this is an ad spot right here, Henry? No, I need sideways price action. And there she goes to the toilet. I'm just waiting for a bounce to get out into. As soon as I get a bounce, I'm probably going to be sayonara. Slowly, slowly, slowly selling off. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. We're not gonna get a bounce? I was really convincing myself that this was gonna be our 1000% runner of the day. Damn it, Beavis.
I think the SPY is starting to recover, so hopefully.
Shorted some more CLDX. It's looking a little stuffy here in the nines. Or it's gonna squeeze. Okay, are we getting a reversal here, Henry?
I hope so. I got my fingers crossed.
Come on, you piece of shit. Okay, I think my line in the sand with China is going to have to be low that it just put in right here. I'm hoping this is a higher low. Around 380. I really don't want to risk that much, but... Oh.
Dang, that would have been a nice dip by at 760 or so for CLDX.
Oh, shit.
What?
There we go. CLDX up near the highs. Okay, shorted some more up here in the 960s.
Oh my god, the SPY just keeps going down. So annoying, my stocks are all down.
Man, I need this China to reverse.
We need some sideway action. Please. Please. Please, please, please.
Well, at least the sell-off is slow and kind of gradual, because once it gets some volume, this thing can really move. And I think it might be coming in now, Henry.
Let's see what the good old Weeble people say.
God, I hope they're saying that it's going to 100. Those optimistic fucks. CLDX squeezing. Oh, IZA finally closing in on 3. That slow moving piece of junk.
Okay, turn around starting now. Level 2 resistant looks weak. Probably gonna have a spike. Peak over by the dip. Short the shit out of this bitch. Here comes another squeeze. to 6.
I'm gonna be happy with 5. Come on, go, go, go! Squeeze. Come on, Chiner. Bring it home one time. Oh, you piece of shit. Let's go. Let's go. Fuck.
Let's go all the way. Away.
Or let's get smacked down by VWAP. Damn it. Should have just sold it right there into that pop. Oh, man. Come on. Don't make me eat the loss. Oh, no. Oh. What a rejection by VWAP. Dang, man. VWAP couldn't hold it, and then now it just gets rejected by it. I should have sold some into that pop right there.
Spy is just tanking.
Come on. Ugh. Oh, man. I should have sold some during that bounce to 450.
No way. Really?
Up 400% on the day. Well, 300% now.
Why didn't we see that one this morning? IMRN's running again. Just hit over $13.
Of course it is.
Oh yeah, so I pulled it up. So, man, I got into that one. I bought in what I
Jesus.
showed here.
Oh, I'm so annoyed right now. I'm glad my dog's not in the room. Come on. Fuck me. Damn, I sized in. Damn, I really fucked this trade up. Fuck this one up good.
Come on, you piece of crapola.
Crapola?
Crapola. long IMRN at $13.
Covered some CLDX at 920.
We're at 14.
And this CHNR is not. Just give me a squeeze to 5. Please give me a bounce to 5. You bought the breakout on IMRN.
Yep.
I'm over here with CHNR just in the old hold and hope, using the hold and hope method. It's a pretty good plan. Okay, just hold and hope, guys. Right? It's an excellent strategy. Okay, if your desire is to become a fucking loser. Come on, baby. Get over 4. Matt says, sounds like me last month. That's a good one, Matt. You brought a smile to my face. I just, I fucked up, man, because I really started to believe in this stupid stock. I really thought that it was gonna pull back and then squeeze up and go through the highs, and we were gonna go to $30 and blah blah blah, and maybe not 30, but 10, 11, 12, 8, 7, and I sized in too much, too fast. I got overzealous. I got filled with excitement.
I just broke over 15.
Oh, meanwhile, Henry's over here. He says, you know what, I ain't going to worry about CHNR.
I have my stop loss in at Uncle at CHNR, so I got to pay attention to stocks that are moving right now.
Oh. Good advice, Henry. That's one thing I'm going to compliment Henry with, is that he keeps his size small enough that he can set a wide risk. He can set a wide risk, so all these little fucking ups and downs and ticks and turns of these choppy NASDAQs don't really affect him too much emotionally.
Nope.
And then B, his small size, he's able to hold his winners long, or he pretty much has to hold them longer if he wants to make some significant money. Whereas me, I take larger size, but with larger size comes more emotional decisions. And, you take profits faster, you're more glued to the screen, you don't want to hold it overnight as much, blah, blah, blah. And with this one, I just got the greed set in on this one, where the greed got me, and I had a bias and I had a belief of what it was going to do, and the greed got me and made me, I just kept adding because I was like, this thing's going to reverse, and I want to be there with big size. I want to fucking go to mama and tell her daddy had a 10K day today. And that's probably not going to happen. So, most likely I'm going to have to take a nice little gash on this one. But it's not going to knock me out of the game, that's for damn sure. And it still could come back. I mean, it could still do what we think. Maybe.
Yeah, it ain't completely done.
It's got a super low float too. It's got a float of 1 million. Oh, never mind, 9 million. So it's under 10 million, which is very low. So the squeeze potential's there, as you can see. When it squeezed from 350 to 6. Oh, don't do it! Oh, you fucker. Don't do it. How's your IMRN? Pulling back?
Around 1350, 14. Hit 1560, it's pulling back now. It's starting to go sideways in the 1350 range. So I'm hoping it's starting to set up a nice little bull flag for another squeeze. After this one in CHNR, if it takes me out, I'm done for the day.
You already made your money?
No, I'm down.
Oh. You don't want to take any more. No more damage. Damage control.
Yeah. My goal is 300 a day to make, or I lose 300. One-to-one ratio. I definitely try to stop altogether once I hit a 300 loss. Although the other day was 400, I had 2 losing days this week, so. But 2 winning days that were better, so.
Damn. Damn, it's going to make me take the loss, I think. It's about to flush. 59. Come on, volume. Somebody come in and save this stock. CLDX. Looks like I covered some of my shares too early. It's about to go red. Should probably add right here as it goes red, because once it goes red, they tend to flush down. I'm not going to. I'll add to my position on a pop into CLDX. So there goes CLDX. Going red on the day. So I'm going to add some at maybe at 9. Well, the CLDX trade is working out good. I just don't have enough size. Damn it! Can you believe this shit, Henry? This fucking China.
Unfortunately, that was my uncle. I just got taken out at 350.
I'm gonna use the low. I mean, I hate to risk that much, but I want to be so pissed if this thing like double bottoms and then comes back.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna go to 350, so I thought.
You know what I mean? Like it could double bottom right here and then come back. Oh, and if it does that, I would just. And if I took the loss right here, but I should probably set the stop loss though, just below. Nobody wants a China natural resources stock. Look at that, Henry. Bison says he copied you. He started taking much smaller positions, less stress, and easier to hold through choppiness. You are absolutely correct.
That's right. I mean, I'll probably do it for another, for a while until I start getting a little more comfortable. I mean, I still do take some big sizes on.
Setups that you feel real comfortable with.
Yeah.
Damn, that E-Man just sold the fuck off. And I got shitty size on fucking CLDX. Damn it. Waited all day yesterday to short CLDX, and today it turns out to be a good day to short it, and I got terrible size. Not a good day for me. Come on, double bottom.
I mean, just look at the SPY. That's why everything is just going down. Like, it's freaking SPY to recover.
Oh, come on, baby. And lower day is about to be taken out.
Did Trump put out some stupid tweet or something?
Not sure. Yep, definitely didn't think this one through. acted too fast, didn't think about my plan, didn't think about risk, just fucking pulled the trigger way too fast. Bad trading.
Should have bought that stock that that fucking goes when the SPY goes down. What is it? SQQQ?
That's an ETF, right?
Yeah. There's that one, and there's... What is the other one? Let me think here.
AWX. My good old friend. That's the one that I told you where I took my biggest loss on. It's hitting the high day scanner right now. AWX. This one right here, AWX. Hitting the high day scanner that was moving on no news, and I took my biggest loss ever on this piece of shit.
That's him breaking out on the daily.
AWX. Let's look at the daily chart. 3 years, 1 day. See AWX? See this giant spike right here? AWX way back in the day. That was me. I was there. Getting squeezed. And the worst part about it though is the next day, the broker I got a margin call, and the broker covers my position, basically at the top. The next day it's back. If I could have just waited 24 hours, I would have made money. But I did something similar to this one. I sized in too big, too fast. Gotta stop that shit. And CLDX headed lower. Man, I covered some at 920 hoping that it was going to bounce up to 950 and I was going to short some more. Unfortunately, never got an opportunity to add. E-Man selling off. Failed morning spike. Ooh, look at that. CTIB. Woo. Glad I cut the trade there. Yeah, I'm looking at all my charts. Everything's going down, 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 down. But even when the SPY's taking a dump, there's always one big runner. There's something always lights up. Like yesterday with CLDX. I'm open today. It's a double bottom China. Nope. Oh no. Oh, there it goes. All right. Uncle. Oh, I'm going to have to take this loss.
Yeah, I
think I'm done for the day until the SPY turns around.
I should just be shorting the fuck out of everything.
Yeah.
Come on, get me out. I'm out. Brutal. Fucking brutal. Fucking brutal. That sucks. I fucked that trade up all to hell. God damn, I want to fucking throw my mic through the fucking monitor screen. Son of a bitch. That sucks. Took over a $5,000 loss like a dumbass. Holding and hoping. Fuck me. Fucking shit, that sucks. So, ugh. Yeah, I'm looking at my screens, man. Everything is selling off hard.
Yeah, it sounds like a good stopping point for me. I'm done for the day.
Guess I'll ride this one winner. I'm up $1,000 on CLDX. Other than that, yeah, shorts might be covering at 3. Could bounce. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, but I mean, I think this thing fades all day now that it cracked low a day. And I'm not going to be... fuck it. I should have been cutting this trade a long time ago, but you know, I've noticed is that the more size I have, the harder it is for me to cut the loss. Oh, god damn it, that sucks. There, it's headed lower down to 280s. So AWX, our good friend AWX is going up. Looks like every spike is failing today, so why not short that one?
Yeah, no doubt.
All right, got some short. Watch AWX get me again. Every spike has failed this morning, so that's why I'm shorting this. Then again, I said there's always one winner that keeps going despite the SPY. And for some reason, I'm really good at picking those out. Okay, AWX. I don't even have it up on the AWX. There we go. News. Earnings. So they put out earnings. Well, that was a month ago. Not today.
Alright. I'm gonna jump off. I gotta make some calls, so
Jonathan says, damn, bro, sorry. Keep your head up. All right, Henry. Peace out.
Later.
Yeah. It's part of the game, man. Losing. Losing is an art form. Learning how to lose. Not easy. Okay, covered a little AWX on this pullback. Yeah, losing definitely is an art form. Sucks. Just hate undoing. You know, like it's about. Actually, it was, I said 5K. It's more closer to a 6K loss. So that sucks. Just undoing. You know, I mean, for me, that's probably a week's worth of work. So it's not the end all to be all, but I think lately, in the last, I don't know, so I absolutely killed it March and April, and May was pretty good. But I think I've been sizing up too much lately. I've been taking way more size than I need to be. I need to scale it back because I wasn't taking this kind of size in March and April. You know, in both those months I made almost 30,000. And I wasn't taking near the size. So I think maybe I need to size down a little bit. I'm getting overzealous. Just need to calm down. So I'll just get back on the horse. Compartmentalize this loss. Put it in the back of my head. And I would say the takeaway, the lesson from that trade is, well, I need to cut my losses faster. Covered some more AWX at 199. I need to cut my losses faster. But also, I need to not be so overzealous. You know, I had an idea of what the stock was going to do. And I got too excited and I just piled in too much too quick. Need to protect my capital more. So, yeah, it was an emotional trade from start to end. I emotionally got in, sized in too. It was because I was excited. So there was an emotional entry. When I started adding to my winner, I got in too much, and then when it kept going against, it kept going down. I was like, all right, it's going to reverse. So I kept adding more and more, and then I forgot about the order that I had in, so that just compounded it. And then it just never came back. So, what do you do? And this is why I have to still keep a job. Because if I was really good, I wouldn't be making mistakes like that. Yeah, I need to size. I told myself I'm going to size up gradually. I told myself that because... And me and Henry were talking about this because I think Henry should be taking more size for his account size. I think he should be taking more size because he'll buy like 100 shares or 200 shares or whatnot, you know. And I'm just like, fuck, Henry. I mean, come on, dude. That's like a $500 position, you know. What is that gonna do? But I mean, it's working for him. So, and so I think that. I think that you should put with your size. You should be pushing the size as your account grows. I think you should be upscaling your share size, but it shouldn't be so much that it makes you uncomfortable and makes you make emotional decisions, Whereas that one, once it started going against me and I realized how much size I had, I didn't want to cut the trade. I kept giving it 10 more cents, 10 more cents, 10 more cents, because I had so much size and I didn't want to accept a loss. Which in the end, instead of taking like a $1,500 loss, I ended up taking a fucking almost a $6,000 loss. So it was an emotional entry, emotional exit, and whenever you're operating on emotions, typically, it doesn't end well. It's when you make your worst decisions. That's why most people are in prison. It's because they got emotional and did one stupid thing. Got pissed off and killed somebody. Got drunk and got in a bar and some dumbass made them mad and then killed somebody and now they're in jail. That's probably why that cop fucking killed that dude George Floyd, because he's probably emotional and he's mad that George Floyd probably was pushing his buttons and pissing him off and, you know, saying everything possible or God knows what was happening, you know. And then he fucking got emotional and decides to put his foot on his neck. She's a fucking idiot. And kills that poor bastard. I mean, the dude George Floyd, he probably wasn't doing something. He was probably doing something he wasn't supposed to, or else the cops wouldn't have been fucking with him. But on the other hand, you know, and then he probably said some shit to the cops, and the cops said some stuff to him, and then before you know it, that cop, wrong cop to mess with, I guess. Fuck, poor guy. Jonathan says he's able to keep the emotions out of the trade, though, with the small size. You just have to find balance. Yeah, that's true. Yep. Push yourself to size up, but only to the point where you can still remain emotionless. I agree. AWX fading some more. I'm going to try to cover some more here at 192. AWX helping me put a band-aid on the wound. Covered some more there. Oh, wow, look at that on AWX. It says, here you go. I feel sorry for you, Brian. We're going to give you a nice flush to cover into. Oh, wasn't quick enough, though. ACY hitting high day scanner. Yeah, not a whole lot. E-Man trying to come back. I should have shorted the morning spike with Bison on that E-Man. Still pissed I don't have more size with CLDX. Covered some more there on AWX. AVCT should have shorted that one. Could have basically shorted any morning spike today and cashed in on the short side. But who knew?
IPO is now trading.
New IPO trading. So I think I'm gonna just fade this CLDX short. It's working out pretty nice. Probably should cover a little here actually. Maybe not. Alright, covered the rest of my AWX at 185. So, yeah, I had 3,000 shares. Made a few $100. So, I guess I'm gonna. What a sad live stream. It was still fun though. We had fun for a little while. Or at least I did. Till I made a laundry list of bad decisions. And CLDX flushing down to 8. I should cover some here. Alright, covered some CLDX there. God, man. If I would have just stuck to that trade and that trade alone, if I would have stayed away from CTIB and CHNR and just stuck to CLDX, I would have fucking murdered it today. I would have had like well over, not murdered it, but I would have had over a $2,000 day, which would have been nice. Probably $2,500. Actually, and with the AWX, I probably would have had closer to 3,000. Instead, being green, today's going to be minimize the damage day. Minimize the damage. How far is CLDX going to fade? Man. And is it going to bounce so I can add to my short? I'll cover some. Covered some more. If we get a bounce, I'll try to add to a bounce. Fade it some more. Let's see here. Jonathan says he did that today. Sized up too big on mRNA and CLDX and really minimized my profits because I got emotional. So I covered way too soon. I hear you, brother. Yeah, it's a tricky game we're playing. Yeah, to be good at trading, it's like you have to master yourself. It's like even though like when you win or like whenever you make money in a trade, somebody else has to lose on the other end. So it feels like it's like you against them, but really it's not you against them. It's definitely you against you. because you got to master your own emotions and your own mind, and you got to stay disciplined, and you got to, you know, watch the price action and put the work in, and know what the hell you're doing. And I scaled into this CLDX, you know, but I traded this CLDX pretty well. I scaled into it, and I used really, really small size in the beginning, and then whenever I scaled in here at the top, when I took my last couple of shorts here at the top, I used a lot bigger size. I knew that this pre-market was probably going to act as resistance. It was resistance from yesterday and today. So you had all these tops here, top, top, top. So I was like, all right, it's probably going to get rejected up here in the nines, in the high nines. So I really put in more size up here, but not as much I wanted. Man, nothing is hitting the high day scanner. Wow. No, I haven't read the trading in the zone. I'll check that out. I'm always looking for a good book. Trading in the zone. I'm gonna write that down. Thank you very much. I've read the daily trading coach. That's a really good book. I should actually get back into that one again and skim through it and review. It's got a lot of good tips. Trading in the zone. I've got a subscription to audible.com, so a lot of times I just get audiobooks and listen to them while I'm driving instead of listening to music. Reading in it, and that shit is dense with great info and perspective, makes you think about things differently. Cool, I will get that actually today. Start listening to it. I need a good book to kind of inspire me or help me, because I've been trading like shit. I've been trading like shit in June. Ever since I started sizing up huge in June, I've been getting my ass kicked. So, I mean, not every day I've been getting my ass kicked. Like on Tuesday, I woke up to a gap up on Genus. That was nice. I woke up to a $6,000 winner. Of course, I only took $4,000 of it, but that was a nice way to start the day. But I'll definitely check that out. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm definitely going to check that out for sure. So, I guess with all that said and done, I think I'm going to call it quits right there. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll be back next week. And AWX is bouncing. I reshorted AWX on this little bounce right here. So hopefully I'm going to fade this AWX down for a few $100 on this little bounce up to VWAP. Maybe it's going to go a little higher.
IPO is now trading.
So AWX put in a little pop right here. AWX. I'm gonna short that little pop. I mean, I guess it could come back, break out over the highs, but I mean, if you look at the long-term chart on this thing, it's absolutely horrific. But if it gets enough volume, anything can happen. Look, it's just got all these failed spikes. Failed, spike, fail, spike, fail, spike, fail. So yeah, I'll short this one. See if it fails again. All right. So thanks for tuning in, fellas. Always appreciate it. It's fun. It's a good time throwing on ideas. Sorry you guys have to see me get the shit kicked out of me. But it's not your account, so I'm sure it's somewhat entertaining for y'all. It's definitely real, that's for sure. It's not fake. That's for damn sure. Yeah, I'll be back Monday. We'll be back Monday. We're going to have a better Monday than we did Friday. I'm going to do my best. So, thanks for the tip on the book. I'll get that. Check that out. All right, you guys be well. Take it easy.